Hi everyone, how we all doing? Welcome to March. Happy new month to everyone. I'm wishing us all a beautiful month full of many testimonies, full of beautiful things that we really long for by the special grace of God. Amen. So today I'm doing a channel review. As I've said, enjoy doing this. It's like a form of accountability for me and to my loyal subscribers as well, and this has really helped me to be intentional. So today I want to talk about my journey all through the month of February on this YouTube space. So first of all, I would like to ask you all watching me, how was February for you? How was content creation if you are a YouTuber? How was content creation? How consistent were you? What were the challenges and all? And if you're not a YouTuber, you just love watching me, how was February for you also? I hope you had a good time. I hope everything went in place for you as you desired. So now let's get straight into it. So for the month of February, on this channel, I was able to do 12 videos. I remember in January, I was only able to do 9 videos, and I stated the reasons why. And I also remember telling you guys that I'll be resuming back to work and that my goal is to post every other day, even though I'm not sure how it will turn out, because going back to work after staying at home for a whole 1 year period is a lot. So I really wanted to see how much I could do the full-time job and also YouTube. So I want to digress a little. YouTube is like a side hustle. While I was on maternity leave, it was like a full-time thing for me. So now I'm back to working, it's like a side hustle. But in my own opinion, I think YouTube is really a full-time job, because going back to work now and doing long hours at work and all that, and still doing YouTube is like having 2 full-time jobs together. This is very, I don't want to use the word difficult, but to be honest guys, it was not easy. I kid you not. Content creation is not for the weak. You have to be very intentional. I remember days that I will come back from work, I'll be very tired, but I still have to do a video. I remember skipping about 2 days when I was posting every other day. The next time I was supposed to post, my video was barely ready, and I just had to finish my editing and everything, and I still posted that day, but I only premiered it for the next day. That's because I have decided that I want to be posting at 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. Remember in my January review I mentioned it, that I always want to post at 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. because I've always watched a lot of videos that talked about being consistent at a particular timing, and I really wanted to see what it was going to do for my channel. While I was on maternity leave, I used to post about 2 p.m. every day. Then I was able to see when my viewers are mostly online, so I was posting 2 p.m. But when I knew I was going back to work about January, I pushed it downwards to about 6 because I know that it would be quite difficult for me and all that. So I decided to push it downwards to the evening, and just to see what will work for me. And I think that timing is working for me. And also I realized a bit of increase on my channel this month. I'm really grateful to God. I'm grateful for my subscribers, for you all. This month of February, I got 2,400 subscribers. I think I was on 2,390 something for a period, and it was like, God, when is it going to get to 2,400? So finally it got to 2,400 on the last day in February, and I'm indeed grateful to God for you all. And also I made 12 videos, which is like an average of 3 videos per week. I always said that if I really want to post videos on this channel, the least for me should be 3 videos per week. I did every other day after the day I posted the January channel review, but on 2 occasions thereabout I wasn't able to do every other day, so I moved it to like 2 days apart or 3 days apart, and I continued again. So I thank God for the journey. In February my views were better, I would say, because I remember my highest viewed video in January was 91 views, which I mentioned, but in February my highest viewed video is about 302 views, and that video was how much YouTube paid me for 500 views, which I did. So I'm really grateful to God that my videos have been gaining a bit of traction since then. I noticed that the views were really coming up and all. I've been averaging 100 to 200 views on my videos, and I'm really grateful to God because I know that things are getting better by the day. Guys, consistency pays. If you're consistent, you would see results, and with prayers as well, you will definitely see results on your channel. So I will just be going into my analytics now to see the recap for February on this channel. So my recap says, I would also be putting a kind of screenshot on the screen. It says, here's what you got up to in February: 12 videos and 2 posts. So I'll say I didn't do so well in my posting, like on my community. I was only able to post twice, but I did 12 videos. I didn't do any shorts. I don't know why I didn't do any shorts in February, but in March I'll try my best to do more shorts. So I was able to do 12 videos and 2 posts. My monthly highlights says, your hard work is paying off. You published more and it got you 18% more views than usual. So that's a great one for me. And then it also tells me that people watch my channel 1.8k times. That's about 1,800 times. And more viewers found me from sources outside of YouTube. It says most viewers were new to my channel. My returning was 16% and 84% were new people. They watch mostly recent uploads, so it's showing a lot of color in February, which is 87%, and they watched September to January, they watched 12% and then watched 1% over the last 6 months. And so it said people didn't just watch, they interacted. So I had 216 likes, 79 shares. That is very amazing, guys. I keep saying on my videos, please share on to others that have been needing this, and I'm really grateful that you guys are sharing my videos. I'm so happy. Thanks to my dad, that's like my #1 fan, always watching my videos and sharing. And I think 1 or 2 other friends that I know of that usually share my videos. But for me to see 79 shares here, it shows that people are really sharing my videos, and I'm indeed grateful because I didn't produce 79 videos. I mean, I did only 12 videos, so much more people are actually sharing this video, and I'm really grateful to you guys. I'm really grateful to you guys. And so we have 216 likes. Thank you also for liking my video. As I always say, please like this video now as we get into it. Thank you so much for liking. And I have 135 comments. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos. And for you people watching my videos and you're not commenting, please, let's do better in the month of March. Please, the only way I can know if you have actually visited my channel is by commenting on it. Some people think once they like the video, you know that maybe I will know that they have watched my video and they have supported me. No, this is not the way YouTube works. It's not Instagram, it's not Facebook, whereby when people like your video you can get to see, oh, my friend was here, oh, this person. No, it's only through the comments that I can tell that you've actually watched my video. So please guys, do well to comment when you watch my videos. And so it says, get more consistent viewership with evergreen content. Choose topics that stay relevant, make it searchable, keep your catalog up to date and all that. Stay tuned for more. So I'm really grateful to God for thus far. He has helped me in the month of February. This is mind-blowing for me. I am grateful for every, change that I see in this journey, I'm grateful to God for it, because it's not about me, it's about, you people that are loving my content and also watching as well. I'm indeed grateful to God. And now I will go back to my second channel, the news channel, which is Prime Update News. On that channel, I was able to make about 27 videos in the month of February. It was way lower than January, because January I made about 50 videos, if I'm right, about 50 videos. But this month, in the month of February, I was only able to make 27 videos. Not as much as I expected, but guys, it wasn't easy. Joining work to this thing, honestly, I didn't find it easy. But I tried my best to be consistent. In fact, for the past 5 days, I didn't even post at all. I've been trying to, make sure that everything is balanced. It's really not that easy, but I'm grateful to God. Also, I remember last month I shared that my highest viewed video on the news channel was 532 views thereabouts, about a little above 500 views. But in the month of February, I had a 1K viewed video. Had a 1,000 viewed video on that news channel, and I'm grateful to God for it. I am indeed grateful to God. For some of you that also subscribed to that channel when I made that channel review in January, I'm indeed grateful, because I could see about 12 people subscribe on that channel. I was on 100 subscribers when I did January review. So right now I think I'm on 111 or 112 subscribers. So guys, I really do appreciate. Another beautiful thing that really topped it up for me on the last day in February was that I got my first super thanks on this channel. I got my first, and I'm grateful. I am grateful. I am indeed grateful. This amazing person, Blessing Ntokozo, is my colleague at work. That very day, I just told her she's been a subscriber, but like, you're just a subscriber right from when I was on maternity leave. You don't watch my videos. What's going on? But she said, I don't watch your videos. Even I watch how much YouTube paid me. I said, really? You don't make a comment. If you don't make a comment, there's no way I will know you watch my videos. That was when she understood that, oh, so I didn't know that she usually watch it once in a while. I said, yes, please just support me. You really need to support me. And there, she watched my video, and then she watched another one, and she moved away from me. And the next thing I saw was a £2 super thanks. God, I was really happy, because I didn't see it coming. This is my first super thanks on this channel, and I'm indeed grateful. God bless you, Blessing. God bless you. I really do appreciate. When I told her, I gave her a hug. I said, wow, you have actually sown on a fertile soil. And she was like, why are you even thanking me? It's just £2. Because here £2 looks like nothing, but the truth is, on the YouTube space, if you get £2, it is something very huge. I told her, I said, listen, you don't understand. This is not £2 as in gifting somebody. On YouTube, £2 is a big deal for me. And she was just amazed. So I'm grateful. I'm indeed grateful for this. So this is just all what I have been through in the month of February, and I'm grateful to be able to carry on and to be able to be consistent. Guys, the key is being consistent. It's not easy. The honest truth, as I always say, it's not easy to be consistent. You have to be intentional. If I were to look at the way my job schedule is and how everything was for me in February, in all honesty, I'm not sure I'll be able to post this much. 12 videos here and about 26 videos in the second channel is no joke. But I'm grateful to God for His grace, and I'm grateful to God for strength to have done this. So I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I do not take your love for granted. I do not take you subscribers for granted in any way. I do appreciate every one of you. And by the grace of God, in this month of March, I will try my best to do more. I will try my best to stick to the 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. timing. That's the time I really want to stick to. I don't want to do anything more than that. If I'm not able to meet up, I might just schedule my video for the next day or something. So please watch out for my videos, and please do well to watch, do well to engage on them, and also do well to share them. Thank you so much, guys. I want to hear from you. How was the month of February for you? If you're a content creator, let me know how you were able to balance out things, work, family, everything with your channel. And if you are not a YouTuber, also let me just know how was February for you. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. I do love every one of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead, and bye for now.